Welcome to Wise Car Care, where honesty and transparency are our promise.
Looking for an auto repair shop you can trust? At Wise Car Care, your car is always in wise hands. We proudly welcome you to Houston's home for reliable auto care. We are the team of certified mechanics, experienced service advisors, and customer care.
Hi, at Wise Car Care, we go above and beyond in taking care of whatever your vehicle needs. So stop by whenever you get a chance.
With years of hands-on experience, advanced training, and a true passion for what we do, we treat every vehicle as if it were our own. And while we're proud of our people, we're just as proud of the services we provide, from brake repairs and oil changes to AC service, diagnostics, state inspections, and complete maintenance. We've got every part of your vehicle covered under one roof. But at Wise Car Care, it's not just about fixing cars, it's about serving people. That's why we focus on clear communication, honest pricing, and keeping you updated every step of the way.
Here at Wise Car Care, customers become family.
While your car is in our care, you can relax in our clean waiting room with comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and a welcoming atmosphere designed with you in mind. We're also trusted by businesses across Houston to handle their fleet repair and maintenance needs, helping them save time and money by keeping their vehicles on the road. Conveniently located at 6259 North Eldridge Parkway, right at the intersection of North Eldridge Parkway and West Little York Road, we proudly serve Bear Creek, Copperfield, Jersey Village, Langham Creek, and the surrounding Houston communities. Visit us today or call 713-466-9300. You can also schedule your appointment anytime at www.wisecarcare.com or directly from Google, choosing the time that works best for you. So when your car needs care, remember Wise Car Care, where expertise meets integrity.